elephant, African elephant, person, human, woman, zebra. I'm not really paying attention to what he's saying. I'm just looking at all the animal stuff. That's a big doo-doo.
But then again,
Oh, hello.
Do
You have a name? Zachary! Zachary? The bear? The grizzly bear? He's a 5-star bear. The bottom of the information panel. Look at that, Tushy! Hello! Well, but I'm not done looking at Zachary. Look at his eyes, and teeth fluffy. Or doo-doo. Oh, that's the same doo-doo. Did you have a doo-doo? Or is that your friend? How do I leave? Look at how you sit. Hello? Hello? Wait, which one is this? Are you sleepy? Oh, good night. Look at you. What is your poo-poos is sticking up? What the heck? How to do that? It takes talent, incredibles like stacking cans and phasmophobia. Oh my gosh. Sorry, we're not gonna get anything done. I am so distracted. Are you gonna sit too? I wanna see you sit. Wait, no! I wanna see. I gotta orbit you. I gotta orbit. No. Hello. Hello, Zachary. Yawn. Beep, beep. We're not gonna get anything done. What did she want me to even do? That's incredible. Man, I thought boxes in Minecraft were fun. What are you? I see. Okay, where were we supposed to do? I got distracted. I think we were supposed to go to the lions. Lions? There we go. Okay. Ooh. Is this a circus? Woo! Running away. You go swimming. Look at him try! Look at him try! Let me see you. Where'd you go? You're doing your very best! You're doing your very best! Okay, wait, what does she want me to do? Enter, locate... Okay, locate the empty hat. Oh, there's an empty hat. There's a train!